What's up guys, this is Bharat here. Welcome back to another video on Tech Matrix. Today let's check out the Cooler Master Keys Pro S mechanical gaming keyboard. Let's get to it. The Master Keys Pro S with brown cherry MX switches cost $139.99 for the rest of the world, and for India it's not out yet, and mostly by July it should be out. But there are a lot of deals that keep running, so watch this space and check the description. There are also other variants with blue and red switches, and inside the box you get the keyboard itself, which is 359mm into 130mm and 39mm thick, and weighs in at just 930 grams, a detachable micro USB type cable, a key puller, and some user guide and warranty information is also present. First, let's look at the hardware. The keyboard is rectangular box and feels solid. The Pro S is a 10 keyless mini portable keyboard, whereas the Pro L is the full keyboard which most of us are used to. It has a braided detachable micro USB cable, and you can also pretty much use any micro USB cable that's out there. Just to show you how much compact this is, here is a full-sized keyboard and mouse. And now you see the Pro S, and you get a wide area for the mouse, and also reduces the hand-to-hand distance, which in turn gives you a better comfort. And also these are portable, so you could just put this in a laptop bag and carry them around, whereas a normal keyboard would stick out like this and won't be handy for your tournaments where you would need portability. At the bottom you have extendable feet to give you a slight angle, and grippy rubber feet for jerk-free gaming on pretty much any surface. There's no armrest provided, but I did not notice any stress while I game continuously, but just for you to keep in mind how the posture will look, here it is. In fact, due to the smaller form factor, I was able to use a wider mouse area and also bring the keyboards much closer to make it more comfortable. The keyboard comes with a 32-bit ARM Cortex M3 processor, which has an onboard memory, and combining the function button you can achieve a lot of combination lighting effects like you see here, create macros, profiles on the go without the need of a software install. The brightness is pretty high comparing other Cooler Master keyboards. This is because the LED is directly mounted onto the PCB, and using the 100% genuine MX Cherry switch housing with UV keycap coating, the reliability is also very high. You also get combination function Windows key lock to avoid any accidental Windows actuations while inside a game. Coming to the keys, these are one of the best gaming switches, the Cherry MX Brown mechanical switches with a 45G actuation force and a 60G actuation force at peak. Just to show you how the sound levels are, let's do some tests. First, let's look at the sound from a laptop keys with a single key press. And multi keys. Next, a normal gaming keyboard, the Logitech G105 with a single key press and multi keys. And then finally the Master Key Pro S mechanical Cherry MX Brown switches with single key press and multi keys. So as you see, the noise level is pretty high on these, but the feedback however is awesome and much better than all the other keyboards, and you get a very good tactile feedback. This will last as long as we are alive, literally having a life of 50 million key presses. And the keyboard also comes with a 2-year warranty just in case. There are no replaceable key sets, but for maintenance, key pulling is pretty simple. Just use the key puller and the keys would come right off like this. And the keyboard also has exclusive anti-ghosting with both N key and 6 key rollover combined, and it works on iOS systems too. so you can just beat the hell out of the keyboard and still it would recognize each button press. Don't know what is ghosting? I'll leave a video link in the description for you to check. Also check the link to test whether your keyboard has ghosting issues or not from the links in the description. Also, you can download the CoolerMaster software, and inside you will get some other functionalities. The software is also pretty basic and easy to use. The UI is pretty neat. The main screen has 2 tabs on top and 4 tabs on the bottom, and the lighting menu lets you control full spectrum lights with a total of 16.8 million colors to choose from. These color wave, color mode, star effect, ripple are some of the effects that you could customize, and also for lighting each key. You could also have any profile saved to the memory right from the app itself, and there is also an option to import profiles. Although I could not find anything at the time of making this video, I'll leave links when I find some where you could probably import profiles from the created other forums. I also got a direct firmware update when I plugged in the keyboard for the first time, and you will get new firmware updates right here. I'll leave some links for you to check for all these above. There are a couple of drawbacks, however. Firstly, the cost. It's pretty heavy on your wallet and it's not for every gamer out there, but if you can afford this, is one of the best currently available, and it will last you for the whole lifetime without a doubt. The software also is pretty basic and currently can't program macros from the software, but you have to manually only on the keyboard can create macros and other profiles as well. You also don't have any replaceable set of keys available or an armrest that is available, but I have to give it to CoolerMaster for making a small form factor keyboard, and I will however recommend this to anyone looking at a high-end compact keyboard with packed features and manual macro controls and an easy to use software. So that's it guys for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, share this and subscribe for more such informative videos. This is Bharat here, signing off.